Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bag Sorkar kelarai bantau ke Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board balatau ke nia namar bakladan ka jinglat bon teliki kam kata sispa nyopun riu teliki kam ke balat ke bentaki specialist balai spa pun riu teli ki kam doktor. Ulong bagni ke jing akademi ke dai namar ke jing bamla ke MPSC bantung beriau hakini ki kam ki balalat bat kam semlala ban penlong ya ke interview kam de benche mikilat klenti ke badai nadu kasnam arhajar ka nyo. Ulong baban penti kena bakan don kejing adbet ya rinti hak bedai bat kejing thungkam ke bapalat sans patli kikam doktor kibalat. Kumta dei ban thungkam no mardor kenang ban la ban ai kejing syakri ke bapakai kipat ba. Ulong bawatla kam syamladan kejing thungkam pura ki doktor. Nrei gidon ki doktor ki batrei kini kikam kibalat hak temporary basis ka 3F bat kumta don kam ban thungkam pura no ya ki doktor.
Create a separate recruitment board for medical services which will be named the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board. This is being done because there is a huge backlog of vacancies in terms of 176 vacancies for specialists and 366 vacancies for doctors. And this has been a problem because the MPSC has not been able to conduct interviews and the necessary procedures since 2017. Of course, COVID was there in between, but in spite of that also, because of other recruitments in different departments, the MPSC was not able to conduct the necessary recruitment processes and the interviews in order to regularize and to ensure that the procedure for interviews and selection is taken place for these over 500 posts for doctors that is there. So they are working, but some of them in 3F, some of them as casual basis. Hence, the process of recruiting them has to be done in a fast manner so that proper services can be given to the people, and hence this Meghalaya Medical Recruitment Services Recruitment Board has been created. Decision has been taken today, and our endeavor will be that in the next 2 to 3 months we will work towards ensuring that all these different posts that are there, though they are vacancies because they are not been regularized and doctors have not been recruited as per the due process. But of course, there are doctors working there. So it's not that doctors are not working, but they are working, as I said, under temporary basis or on the basis of 3F. And hence, a proper recruitment process must be conducted. And our efforts will be that in the next 2 to 3 months, we will try to ensure that all the recruitment processes for all these posts are completed through the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board.